Hey, what's going on, guys? December 26th, 2024. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Let's go through the market. So, 66.7% advancing, um, about 60% new highs. Stocks breadth starting to kind of improve a little bit. Nice little move up today and then kind of chop the rest of the day. Um, you can see AVGO has pretty much one of the leaders so far in this market, probably one of the best semiconductors right now. Let's take a look at the trades for the day. So PSTG was a new position I bought. Nice little flag breakout here. Tight two double inside day. Got long through prior day's highs. Nice move there. ANF, I cut this one short. Took it prior day's highs, went right up into that range and kind of got rejected there, and I took it off closer to the end of the day, pretty much flat on that. And TSM, I bought this 2 days ago. It was a bit of a wider stop there, so I was like, this thing wasn't moving my direction, and it's a slower mover, and there's so many more setups out there that probably can use my capital better. So I cut that one. Let's take a look at the positions. AVGX, nice continuation move on that today. NNE, kind of a rest day, pushed up prior day's highs and then kind of pulled back. Maybe we get a test of those moving averages, rising moving averages. My stop is still just under these moving averages. Maybe I move this up a little bit more, but I want to see us kind of support those moving averages before I do. PSTG was the new trade for the day. Got long through prior day's highs. Nice close there. Still no volume there, so maybe wouldn't really consider this a breakout day. Maybe we get another push tomorrow. RBRK, rest day, inside day. Nice little tight day there. Maybe we get a continuation push off tomorrow. Reddit pushed higher and then kind of faded back down. Let's see if we can find some support here and turn back around. TSLL, we were gapping up quite a bit this morning and then pulled back a little bit, and pretty weak today, but we had a pretty strong day on Tuesday, so doing nothing wrong above these moving averages. Maybe it comes back, tests there, and then starts turning around. I'm going to keep my stop down here, let the 20-day catch up. Kind of want to give this a little bit more room and potentially even add into that name. So setups, went through the scans, and these are kind of the names I like for tomorrow. ANF still looks really good. Probably should have held on to that. It did push up into the close, but we're still didn't really confirm this range here, so I'll probably be waiting until we do confirm that range. APP still has that 350 pivot. Nice tight day today. Moving averages are kind of right under it. Let's see if that thing can get taken out. Crowd still very tight. You can see low volume, but that's also given just due to the holidays. Probably won't pick up till after New Year's, but nice tight flag there. Docu looks really good. Nice little flag down here. Let's see if this thing can push out tomorrow. Duolingo looks really good. Has this little mini range there around 346. If that gets taken out, looks really good. DXYZ looks really good, right under the 10-day, or right above the 10-day. Nice tight 2 days. Let's see if this thing can push out. Pretty high ADR name, so just size appropriately. FSLY, we did have a trade here on this one, and then it got smacked down from the market. Nice tight little range here, right above the 20-day. So let's see if this range can get taken out. GEV is kind of what I wanted to see, and the reason I didn't really take it up here. Nice little pullback into the moving averages now. Kind of, if we get this pivot, probably around 349, 350, we can take this long. QFIN, nice tight action here. Probably draw it a little bit like this, but super tight here. Looks really good if this thing continues. RBLX, Ideally, we kind of pull back a little bit and get a little bit tighter, but this one looks actionable here. Snow, nice little tight range here. The moving averages are kind of creeping above. Don't love that, but we'll watch this through today's highs. TIGR, super tight here. This thing definitely can move. So we'll keep an eye on this. Let's see if this thing kind of breaks the range and continues higher. Maybe we can even get some of this range back. WGS, pretty thin name. Trades average 500K shares, but beautiful bigger base here. If you look at the weekly chart, it looks like a beautiful flag here. So something I'll keep an eye on, probably through today's highs or this pivot here, 84. ZM Zoom looks really good still. Super 3 days tight here. Nice flag still. We'll keep an eye on that. So that's pretty much it. Only thing I added was PSTG today. And that is pretty much it. So portfolio update, you can take a look at that. If you guys do want to join my Discord, the link is always below. But I do got a pretty big position in PSTG just because the stop is pretty tight. So have 37% cash left. So definitely have some cash actionable for tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on some of these names. Going to narrow this down to about 6 names and see what we can find. If you guys do enjoy these videos, please do like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys most likely tomorrow.